Hello, good evening, selamat petang. So today I want to show you how to make a Pictionary by using the Microsoft Words. Not the Microsoft Word actually is Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. So how to make a digital Pictionary by using the Microsoft PowerPoint? First of all, of course, you need to open the Microsoft Office of PowerPoint, and then you can see the plain design here, so you can choose any design, okay, to make it better. So any design you want to, you can choose, okay, or pick. All right, so I choose here, all right, the simple one. And also you can choose the layout, okay, the layout you can choose any of the layout you want to. For example, I want to choose this layout. Alright, and then just put the title, okay, Kamus Bergambar is mean the Pictionary, digital, and the theme, what is it? Haiwan, okay, Haiwan is mean animal. Alright, if you don't like the colors, you can try to pick any color of you want to, it doesn't matter. Okay, it's different for your preference, okay, which one you want to. Okay, so the background style also you can choose any of these. Okay, it's different for your creativity. Okay, okay, so here remember, put your name and then your metric number and your faculty. And remember, you also must put your picture here, okay, your picture. All right, so we go through the other design here, new slide. And you also can pick or choose any of the design, okay, any of layout or the design you think is suitable for your preference. Okay, for example here, and then you pick the picture. Okay, go the picture and make sure the picture you already browse using the internet. For example, ayam, beruang, cepelai, is it already you done? Okay, you done before you make a Pictionary. Okay, so put the picture here, done. All right, and you can find the frame. Okay, you can choose the picture border, which one you think suitable for your concept or preference. Okay, you also can make it more glowing, just like this. Okay, it's just nice. And here you just put the what we call as the letter ayam or chicken. Okay, and then you can make it more uh, creative. Okay, it depends for you which one you want to. Okay, for example, just like this. All right, the effect glowing, maybe more glowing or not, it depends for you which one you want to. Okay, so it's done here. All right, and then how to put the sound, how to put the sound. Okay, how to put the sound. All right, okay, before that I want to make it more creative. Okay, all right, and then insert the sound, just put the insert sound here, and you can see, okay, you make a folder here, open, and this sound you already record before you make a Pictionary. Okay, so here,
ayam,
okay, and then click OK. Automatically or when click, okay, it doesn't matter. So maybe when click, so you put here and try to make it.
ayam, ayam,
It's done. All right, it's done for your slide. All right, so it's different for you how to make it, but make sure if you want to make the Pictionary, the sound and the Pictionary must be in the same folder, so that's all for today. Thank you very much. Terima kasih.